In this video, I will be telling you guys how to set up a HubSpot plugin in the WordPress. So it's a free plugin that you have to just install in the WordPress. So I will be attaching a link to that WordPress HubSpot WordPress link in the description below. Make sure you guys can check it out. So here you just have to search HubSpot plugin for the WordPress. And once you have done that, there will be official website of the WordPress where you guys can simply official website of the HubSpot where you guys can simply just click on it, and there will be a download this free plugin option. Just right click on it and you will be able to download that thing, and it will show it will look like this once you have installed the plugin in the WordPress. I hope you understand whole the process. If there are still any questions regarding that, feel free to ask that in the comment section. And if you feel like this really helps you, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Bye bye.